This is Lucy. She's the process owner for talent management in her company. Talent management is pretty high on the agenda nowadays. She was asked by her HR leadership team to implement a new talent management strategy and improve how talent is acquired and developed in her company. She already had a lot of ideas and knows that SAP SuccessFactors is the right solution. This is James. James is the project manager of the SAP SuccessFactors project for implementing an integrated talent management solution. His knowledge about SAP SuccessFactors is quite limited, but he knows the importance of understanding the business requirements to make the project a success. This is Helen. She's responsible for organizational change management. In her role, she helps the business adapt to the new talent management solution. Therefore, she needs to understand the impact on the users. Lucy, James, and Helen meet with Chris. Chris is an external consultant. He knows how important it is to visualize the solution design early in an implementation project. Therefore, he uses an agile project approach. However, in the past, sometimes the discussions with his clients got stuck in details. This time, he wants to use the SAP SuccessFactors process library to facilitate the discussion in the workshops. Chris downloads the assets from the SAP SuccessFactors community page when he prepares the customer workshop. When he meets Lucy, James, and Helen for the first time, Lucy explains how her company runs talent management processes today and what her ideas for the future are. Chris likes it. He shows leading practices and the processes from the SAP SuccessFactors process library. Lucy can see that most of her ideas are already documented there. She also learns new ideas from Chris, and she wants to adopt most of them for her company. Chris explains the user roles and their activities. The team understands how the SAP SuccessFactors system should be used, which activities can be supported by the system, giving them a better understanding of the improvements to their current situation. When Chris shows the SAP SuccessFactors system and all the functionality, they can really visualize the end-to-end processes and how everything fits together. Lucy, James, and Helen are excited. Lucy is much more confident now that SAP SuccessFactors is the right solution for her to implement the new talent management strategy. James starts immediately to create the project charter. This is much easier now since he can better define the project scope. It is also so much easier for him to choose the right rapid deployment solutions from SAP to accelerate the implementation of SAP SuccessFactors. He knows that the process models will have a lot of advantages later in the project, for example, when he needs to develop test scripts or documentation. Helen is excited too. She has a much better understanding of the user roles. Very early in the project, she understands the activities for the users in the future processes, and she can analyze the impact to better plan an effective communication strategy and training. Lucy, James, and Helen used the process models for the remaining SAP SuccessFactors project and later when there was a process change. Lucy also reviewed the quarterly changes published on the SAP SuccessFactors community. This way, she was sure not to miss any new innovations from SAP SuccessFactors. It was so simple for Chris, Lucy, James, and Helen to use the process library from SAP SuccessFactors. And soon, when they implement Employee Central, they will use the same assets and approach to run simple again.